Rack city shit. She ain't right like them old rap city skits. I got many chicks, blue and black penny kick strippers at 30, telling niggas that they 26.
Rack city bitch, 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 10, 20s and the 50s bitch.
Silver emblem, 2 black R's. Who's that in the nice black car? All tops came back, the results are cause of death, bars. Got a killer from the llama. Got a killer hoe, half Colombiana, half Dominicana. Poke out from behind her, work out a little bit, get the rest from my mama. Black city bitch, black out of 03. California King Kush, black out from OG. You made your deathbed, now laying there. The end is here, start saying it.
I'm in my other car, about to get my other car. It like talk to him, you don't listen to me, no. 12 carats and that's all it is. 1 through 6, yeah, that's all gives. I got my other bro talking to my other bro. While I'm in the back talking to my other bro. Okay, it look like we got a foursome. 3 bitches in my bed, about 4 something. Yeah, say I let my nigga hit that. He ain't nothing, say I let my nigga split that. Shoot game bad game, she might know something. But if she